Hello makers, today I'm going to show you how to get started with Arduino. All you will need is an Arduino Uno board, a USB Type-B cable, and the Arduino IDE software. First, download the Arduino IDE and install it on your computer. Once the installation is complete, run the program. There are two main functions, setup and loop. The code in setup runs only once, whereas the code in loop runs repeatedly. I am going to show you how to blink a built-in LED. First, we set up the LED pin as an output. We don't need to worry about pin mode function right now. To turn on the built-in LED, we set its pin high. We can do it by typing digital right, the pin number, and a logic value. Then we add a delay of 100 milliseconds by typing delay and 100. To turn the LED off, we do the same thing, but instead we use the logic value low. Then we add another delay, but this time it's 900 milliseconds. That's it, the program is complete and it will keep running in a loop. Now we connect the Arduino and set up the board and COM port. Finally, click the upload button to send your code to the Arduino. And here is the result. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel.